Hey, hello everyone. Sriram here, and I have Venkatesh in front of me who cleared PMP recently. So Venkatesh is so happy, delighted, excited, and he's so top of the world. Hey, man, I'm done. So first, congratulations, Venkatesh, for this wonderful achievement.
Thank you, Sriram. Thank you so much.
Great. Now, Malavanth, he cracked it. So we will see his certificate. Here it goes. Right. Fantastic. So Venkatesh, did you have a dream of getting this color certificate a few years back?
Yeah, it is there since from 2013.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
That time I was in my BTech graduation. We have a
Uh-huh.
subject called the Program Management Office.
Mhm.
So I was inspired to be get this certificate. Then later on I got into the job role. Then
Acha.
I thought of doing it in 2019 ending.
Okay.
So suddenly syllabus got changed. Then I put a target by 2021.
So the
So
target changed. Target moved with the timeline.
timeline. And then I connected to Shri Learning through YouTube success videos like this in May 2021. That time, since we are in COVID hit, I am unable to join. Then I keep on following Shri Learning videos as well as the post, which are coming on the daily questions, everything. Then I took a chance in the month of August batch.
Perfect. 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 Were you able to listen the class? Are you able to connect with the subject as you listen?
Yeah, definitely, Shriram. I have attended all the classes as well as I have followed the strictly your timeline, whichever Rahul has shared.
Mm-hmm.
And I put target of actually in my mind, I need to complete exam by November 15th. But
Mm.
myself, I put target as October 30th, so that if anything is gone wrong, then we could able to achieve our target, whatever we had kept. So that
Perfect.
is how I completed.
Perfect. Got you. Got you. So what made you to think for PMP?
The concepts which we have in the PMP project manager law, how we are inspiring to team members and how we are impacting the organization, that made me to inspire to go to the project management. So project manager has a very big impact in the organization, but to be successful or failure, and it has impact on number of livelihoods also. So that made me impacted.
So you know the value of why we do this already.
Yes. Yeah.
That's a good thing I can hear. So you have anyone cleared PMP in your corporate circle? Have you heard this before?
Yeah, a couple of months before than me, my colleague has completed in the month of July.
Okay.
So I have in the target since month of May.
Uh-huh.
Okay, it is in my to-do list.
Okay.
So I also took his suggestions and keep on talking to him. This is how I am progressing. So whenever I am lagging, going to wrong direction, he is also giving the direction. This is how you need to do. But I could say study plan helped me very lot to be on the track, because without study plan I could not say I will be on the plan, because I usually look at the date which you had given as well as where I am standing. So by October 15th I had completed the reading of the return. So like you mentioned, 10 days gap, I
Good.
I thought I took the mock exams,
Mm.
but I was not confident to take mock exams.
Okay.
So one day you are shared a video, success video. There you have mentioned that we have to keep up the momentum. We need to complete as early as possible, and
Mm.
God will not come and say, "Bless you. This is the date you need to do the PMP." That make me, oh, I am going in the wrong direction. I need to take up the mark. So then I took the mark.
God, man, you all seen that success story, huh?
Yes. So that word itself make me, no, I need to take up mark. So for me, Shriram, my job nature is I usually go to office in this time also.
Oh,
For me, it is very tight schedule. I go at 10, I will come at 8. For me, the time is 9 to 2 a.m. 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. is the mock time for me. All 5 mark I took in 9 p.m. to 2 p.m. 2 a.m.
wow, man, that's pretty late, man. You have to plan your day properly. If not, you can't handle it. Wow, that's really, you're working very hard. Nice. Good to see that you read as per the plan and exams. You started doing practice exams. When you do the practice exams, definitely scores will be fluctuating.
Yeah.
What was your feel and how do you overcome that score problems?
So when I took first mark, It's a lot of repetitive questions. I had a 82% in the Sri Learning first mark. Then this is on October 22nd. Then immediately on the next day, I want to finish up early. The next day itself, I took the study hall mark. So there I got the 55%. Oh no. So then immediately I have shared the score with you. You said that not an issue. Study hall 50% is a good score, but you said that read questions clearly, then move forward. Then I also felt that nothing wrong on that 55%. We are on track. So I have read all the questions. Then I took the Sri Learning second mark. There also I got the 69, study hall again 66. And I feel scores doesn't matter. How much we understood the concept is the matter. I felt the same thing.
I think that's the right point you said. Score does not matter. Did you understood that? Are you confident for sitting 4 hours?
Yes.
That's important, very important, right? Very
Yes.
good. I think you got the context, because some of them started preparation even before you. I have people who are preparing for 1 year. They all have this self-doubt. Am I ready for the exam?
Yes.
And they all look for, when I score 90%, when I score 85%, I will go for the main exam. I think that it's okay, good dream. I'm not saying no, but in this management studies, you can't tell when you will score a high. It depends on that question, situation, that mindset. That day your mood is not good.
Correct.
You are tired, or one dog is keep on barking next door. That can disturb you 15 questions.
Correct. Correct.
Right away it can disturb. A dog is just barking there. Just at hearing the sound itself, you lose 15 questions wrong. So
Yes.
anything can happen. Okay.
For me, I had experience at the Shriram when I had given the second Sri Learning mark, second study hall mark, I got 66%. The day before, 2 days before exam, when I am reviewing the questions, I don't know how I marked that questions right or wrong. Because that day my mindset was different. When I'm reviewing the question, my mindset was different. So we need to maintain that momentum. In that moment only, we need to complete the exam. That is what I understood.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. And again, in the main exam, our throttling, our way of performance will be totally different than what we do in a mock exam. Correct. Right? Correct. Because that's a main game, and your 50,000 rupees has been betted there. Correct. So you will be in a different version of yourself. So that's why I say somebody is an average score here. Don't wait, go to the main exam. I'm sure you'll make it, but provided you did a groundwork properly. So that's why I request people to be in touch with me. When you're in touch with me, at least I know you are doing very honest, very dedicated work, not just like that, not like that. So when I know you're honest, when you're dedicated, I'm sure ready for the exam. So that's a message. Pretty good, man. That's nice to know. So what kind of advice you want to give to the people who are struggling with the books and exam?
I could say, like you mentioned, read one time is enough here, nothing more than that. If you read 2 times also, you will feel like I need to read again, third time. So read one time is enough. We need to spend more time on the mock exams, because whenever you do more mock exams, your reading ability will improve. Rather than spending 5 minutes of time in the main exam, you could complete in the 2 minutes. Let us say it is a very hard question. So reading ability will improve, as well as way of question asking and understanding will improve. So marks, I could say, I will ask everybody to practice marks more. That will, don't look at the score. Scores will up and down. So reading ability will improve, and as well as where you are lagging, that can be improved.
That's a valuable point. Take test. Have you participated in a weekly test? What we have?
Yeah. I had participated all 13 weeks, whichever I was in during this course, and as I also ACP also, and then PMP I practice more ACP. That make me very easy in the exam.
Okay, got you. So how good do you think this weekly things give you some momentum? What kind of thing you get out of this weekly test?
Sriram, for the working nature, I don't have enough time to read on the weekdays. I usually read at the weekends only. So as long as I'm reading and I'm also practicing the things, and I'm connecting with the community who are in the Sri Learning team, and people will give the different thoughts on the questions, as well as people will share their experiences. So that make me helpful, and this is very useful. Weekly test.
Right. Rightly said. Experience of other people will help in the weekly test. That's why we asked to do that. So by the way, which domain you come from?
I'm into US healthcare domain.
Healthcare, pharma. You can call it as a pharma group,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And in pharma, are they following agile already for you?
In my organization, yeah, definitely it is the hybrid as well as agile as well as a predictive. I'm in more into operations, so
Okay.
I'm more
Okay.
dealing with the people. So for me, PMP also people become very easy for me. Tackling with the
Agile
people.
also, you're aware of agile, you're aware of people. I
Yes.
think the exam could have been a little more better for you, right?
Yes, sure.
That's nice, good. So good Rita books, good about weekly tests you took, good about few mock exams you taken there, right? And exam hall, did you went center based?
Yeah, I went to center based. For me, the good thing is beside my office only the center.
All right. So you keep seeing your center. How is it? Your office regularly?
Yes. I visited 2 days before how center looks like and everything. Then the day of exam also I was working. I went to office earlier. I put my bag and everything. I went to exam. After exam, I came back to my work.
Man, it looked like you took a tea break and came back. Do the office people know that you're doing?
Yeah. I said,
They're aware of it.
see, if I say it to them only, then I will feel pressurized. I need to complete it.
I like that, putting pressure on yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
So center, was it comfortable? Are they giving all the facilities well and good?
Yes. It was very comfortable. And the day when I had given exam, there are so many other exams also going on, but it was very quiet and very comfortable.
Yeah. TOEFL, GRE, these all
Correct.
some of the exams keep happening there, and there's the kids will be there, college students, typing. You heard the typing sound?
No,
That's
they
why they
given
give
the noise cancellation headset.
They give it. Good. So now exam starts with a 230 minutes, and you have a 2 breaks, official break.
Yeah.
So did you use your break properly?
Yeah. I took chocolates. I took eatable items because my exam is 11 to 2 p.m.
Oh man, feel hungry.
So yeah, 11 to 3 it is actually not 2, 11 to 3. I feel hungry.
Okay.
So I took fruits as well as a chocolate. So for me, exam went very smoothly as expected. But the first set of questions, since we are very anxiety, I could say 30 questions are very little bit tough to me. But
Initially.
I didn't stop at anywhere. I kept maximum 1 hour, 1 minute 30 seconds. That's it. I think more than that, I keep on moving it. So I could complete the first set in 85 minutes, and the second 70 as well as third 68. So 2 minutes I have left. I didn't review any questions because our mind will not give any other answers than first time.
Okay, you don't want to review. If you review, you will get a second thought, huh?
No thoughts will come, Shriram, at that time. Whenever we review first question, that is the best answer, I could say. Because that is the only time we are spending.
That's true. Easy to say. Many people struggle there. I have people who read the question for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and they struggle hard, right? You can see some people in the WhatsApp group. They will take one question and they build 3 questions out of that one question. It's each one's way of looking questions, right? I tell them that stick to the question what they ask. Don't assume too much on your own experience.
Correct.
Right? That happens, but it's pretty hard. They come with some experience which trouble them. Okay, saying that, that's about the exam front. And did you have some time when you close the last questions? Did you have?
1 minute is there. I thought to review, so I don't want to review again. Enough. So I waited for 30 seconds. I did close it.
Press. So you're aware that you're going to clear the exam when you press the button.
Yeah, after second set itself, I was confident.
Got the clarity. Okay. So what was the expression when you see that? Congratulations.
For this, I taken this much time. I might have done 10 days before as a target date of October 30th. But in the middle, Rahul also was not available for the 10 to 15 days. That also make me to drop little bit.
God, man. Okay.
Else I might have completed October 30th as planned. You also suggested that you put last 3 days leave. You can able to do October 30th. But for month end, for my job, it is very critical. I have a certain targets. Good. So I postponed to October 11th. So
Great. Good to know. Viewers, I'm sure you all got some valuable inputs from him. Stick with one book, Rita. Practice exams. Don't wait for the day to jump for the main exam. Go ahead. If you feel good, learn something, go ahead. And be very sincere. That's what I found with Venkatesh. He doesn't miss any classes. is always part of the weekly test. By the way, Venkatesh, do you have the writing habits?
Yeah, initially, but later.
Initially, right. So he's very sincere student from school days, I believe. So he followed the same here as well. Okay, how is the application thing in your corporate now? After learning this, do you think this will be applicable there?
While PMP course itself, I started application. I am putting a RACI matrix to my team. So they know they are responsible. They are accountable things. We are conducting daily stand-up meetings, and we are putting the MOM too. And thankfully, before PMP, when my manager has shared this agile estimation sheet, I don't know what is this SML Excel. So after completion of your classes, I could see, oh, this is how estimation will do. This is how the story points estimate.
Large, small.
Yes. You took example of Zoom in our classes. Right. So yeah, I could able to interpret that what we have learned into that spreadsheet. Now, when I look at that spreadsheet after PMP, it looks very, very clear to me. I'm connecting those dots. Cool,
man. See, nowadays I'm feeling more excited more than the certificate. Somebody apply it, and it is working in the corporate, right? And where your organization sees some results out of it, right? That's pretty important.
Yes.
Super good, Venkatesh. First, I want to thank you for coming up here. And Venkatesh is from pharma industry, and he took effort to learn this and get certified, even though he practiced it, some of them in the corporate already. But putting as an exam is not easy stuff. it needs energy. So congratulations and good wishes, and would expect you to be more successful applying all the knowledge what you gained, right?
Yeah.
Right, there it goes. And viewers, give your likes and comments to Venkatesh for his wonderful success. Yeah,
and last minute tip, Sriram, from my end. So what I have done before my exam, I went to study hall. At the very last, we have a demo PMP exam, how it looks like. So that is like before cricket match, we go before and we pitch, right? So I have experienced how original exam looks like. That made me very comfortable in the main exam.
Right. Yeah, they have one, right? Around 20-30 questions will be there.
Correct, 20 questions.
Yeah, we can go and check it. But unfortunately, now PMI has stopped study hall for a while. Past, not a stop, past. So they're going to come back by December. So until then, people are practicing only Sri learning and they're clearing the exams. But anyway, once it come back, we can tell the people, please use that. Right? That's a message. Very good. Any more notes from you?
No, that's it.
You didn't tell about who supported you in your family. Anyone from your background?
No, everybody in my family as well as my corporate family, everybody supported me well. And I said they don't know about this exam. They asked me, what is this exam in this age you are writing? I said, it is a very, very typical exam. And this make me to promote well in my job roles. Then they understood what is the value of this exam. So they are asking me, did you done the exam? My father was not slept at the before day of exam.
Man, you disturbed the whole family, huh?
So when my sister asked, why are you not slept? He said that he has the exam. So then immediately at 3 p.m. I called, I have cleared my exam. So
God, man.
Everybody are happy.
Look at the stakeholder engagement you have at home. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. You said that this is a very toughest exam. Once I clear, I'll get growth and promotion, right? Be watchful. Your mom or parents going to ask him 1 month later, where is your promotion?
They are asking again.
The moment you say that, once I clear that, I will get everything, they'll quickly ask, where is it?
No, I don't know how can I express to them, because they are connected to this kind of terminology. Definitely we need to tell in that way only. We are making them analyze.
Yeah. So don't worry, sure you'll get it, and growth is there on your way. I'm seeing the commitment with you. Sure you'll make it. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, good, Venkatesh. Once again, thanks a lot. Have a great weekend, and thanks for being here. I'm sure these tips are helping people. One day you saw a success story like this, you are here. Yes. Somebody is going to see your story and they may get inspired and get success, right?
Yes.
Good. Have a great time. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Sriram. Thank you so much.